As you can see, and I didn't even let it set up, you guys. I'm just going in just to brighten this area up just a little bit underneath. I want to talk to you about this amazing Lancôme concealer. This isn't just any concealer. This is their 24-hour all over matte finish concealer. So no matter your skin type, you can use this concealer. Now, with being a makeup artist, I have so many concealers in my kit when I really was working behind the chair. And of course, I have a lot at home as well. So I'm always searching for a new concealer. I have used many, so I landed on Lancome's. Now, keep in mind, I have a friend who works at the counter, so I'm not new to Lancome. However, I really wanted to give them a fair try to see if I really like this concealer. And I do. It goes on very fine, very thin. However, you still get great coverage. Not only that, it feels lightweight. You still feel hydrated because some matte finishes will give you that really dry, not pliable, not that plump look, after using matte. But Lancome has figured this out. You're going to get that matte finish, which is going to give you more of a long wearing time, but you're also hydrated as well, and you can't beat that. So that's what I was looking for. Because sometimes, let's be real, your skin do get acclimated to something you've been using time and time again. And it was getting that way for me. So I went back to Lancome to give them another try. With it being matte finish, it actually has a lifting and sculpting effect to it because it just dries within itself. It's going to set up and keep that skin in place. So another tip for you guys is however you put it on is how it's going to stay. So you want to be a little more mindful where and how you place this concealer. I've used it with my fingers. I've used it with a wet sponge. I can just show you really quick here as well. It has a large applicator. I can greatly appreciate that. So I'm just going to put a little bit here just to show you guys. And I'm going to smooth this out with my ring finger because it has the least amount of pressure. As you can see, and I didn't even let it set up, you guys. I'm just going in just to brighten this area up just a little bit underneath our eyes. You know how that is. So you can clearly see a difference between the two. And I'm not even wearing powder to actually set it in place. Now, here is another big thing I love about this concealer. You can wear this all over. Now, granted, I've done plenty makeovers and you can wear concealer all over. That is no secret to me. However, for them to advertise it is genius. So right now, if I wanted to put this all over, I will put a little here, a little there, on the 4 dots of your face. And then I'm going to let it set up a little bit. And then I'm going to smooth it probably with a wet sponge. And then I'm going to set it with a facial powder. You can really tell that Lancome put a lot of time, energy, and effort into this concealer. It works, and they have a lot of different shades to choose from. That, too, makes it a great all-over concealer and makeup foundation.